This is Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2. Let's see what's inside. You got a cable you can attach it on. We're not gonna use it because I want to make it more discreet, the cable. Another cable line for power source, the long one, user manual, and some other manual for product information. This is the mount we're gonna use. It is already have an adhesive sticker where you can just peel it off and stick it the position you want it on your windshield. And this is Garmin Mini 2, very low profile. It doesn't comes with SD card, so I highly suggest you add SD card. I already added. Just press it this, as you can see has already been added. Just gonna put it back on, so make sure you buy one SD card for this. And this is the mounting where it's gonna go. The ball gonna go over here and just snap on it, and you can just pull it out whenever you need to take it out. And this is the power source. Another thing you're gonna need is, this is the product I was talking about, Dongle Technology Dash Cam power adapter, because you're gonna need it if you want a discrete power connection that not gonna be visible, or you need a cigarette lighter point to get power. So what it comes with is this three-way. This is the most vital one. What it do is, it also comes with a different one. My one take a USB. It also comes with this two extra one, what it look like. And this is a C type, whatever your camera is, and other side gonna be USB as usual. So the USB point gonna go connect over here, just like that, and then your camera gonna connect over here. What it's gonna do is, it's gonna take the power source from Toyota, and this gonna plug into the mirror power point. So this is our layout. Let's get to work. Okay, this is the power port for the mirror. The other wire I'm gonna show you in a minute gonna goes over there. So this is the power cable for Toyota Tacoma for the mirror. There is our setup. We already connected the Dongle cable adapter, and with one point the USB plug go over here to have the power source for Garmin. So first we're gonna do is get this connected to the power source. So we're gonna connect that plug in with this, and the other part on the mirror, this one gonna goes to the mirror. This one gonna go to the power source, that one gonna go to the mirror. So let's get it. So this is how it done. Let's see how our results. I'm gonna check the functionality. Let's see if power it up on the mirror. As you see, it's lighting up. So mirror got a power. Now let's check the camera functionality. Let's see how it play. As you see, it's on the front. We will go on live cam, which is over here. So this is how it look like. Rotate to feel it. Sorry, my settings. I'm gonna press this one, and as you see, boom. So yep, this is how it look. It's pretty cool feature. So this is how the overview look. These are several command section. You can say, okay Garmin, take a picture. Okay Garmin, you can go in the settings, and this is how you can set it up. They have also option you can save video. You know, it's all video saved. This is a live. I show you already. You press the front. These are the videos they've been taken. You know, the picture quality is pretty good. Audio recording off. Okay Garmin, record audio. You see, it was off right here, and now it's turned on. So yeah, you can playing around. And as you see from the outside, it's barely visible. The complete display. Yeah, let me know if you use if you guys already use this Garmin Mini 2 cam. What are your experiences so far? How it holding up? Are you running into issue? On my comment section, please tell me your story. Also, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please go check out my videos. If you like it, please subscribe. It will help a lot. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video.